Just leave it like this. That's a good look, right? Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Amber. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do candy corn gradient and lip art. Obviously, this is more of a goofy look, definitely something that you want to do for Halloween or maybe even just the Instagram pic. It is not the most wearable out in public, unless you're into that, and then go right ahead. I would love to see any looks that you guys create inspired by this. Go ahead and tag me in them on Instagram at whatislove_is_the_weapon. For this one, we're going to bring you guys up close so y'all can actually see what I'm doing on my lips. First things first, for any look, whether it is more of an artistic look or just an actual everyday lip, you're going to want to moisturize first, which I already did before entering the studio. Not that y'all can tell, because like, my lips be chapped. But moisturizing is the first thing that you're going to want to do, especially if you use any matte or liquid lipsticks, because those emphasize any imperfections that you have in your lips. First thing you're going to want to do for this look is get yourself a white lipstick. I am personally going to be using a matte liquid lip, and you're going to go ahead and coat your entire lips with it as though you're just doing a normal lip look. This looks fucking awful. So I'm sorry, I'm not gonna lie, I've never used this lipstick. Yeah, I haven't used this lipstick yet. One, it literally tastes and looks like whiteout, and it looks awful. So now that you have your white lipstick down, it's going to provide a nice base for any other colors that you will be using, which include orange and yellow. So I'm personally going to give my liquid lip a minute to dry down a little bit. If you're using a wet lipstick, go ahead and not worry about this. I think I'm going to be doing a gradient going across in the colors of candy corn, which if you are unfamiliar is white, orange, and yellow. I'm actually going to pick which side I want to stay white, and then we're going to start on the opposite side and lay down our yellow. I personally think that this side of my white applied better, so I'm going to be adding yellow to this side. So you're going to want to put it on your lip and kind of blend it out, not quite coming halfway, coming maybe a quarter or a third of the way into your lip. And then kind of lightly blending it out a little bit towards the middle. And I'm even going to go ahead and do that a little bit more with my finger. So now about half of your lips are yellow and half of your lips are white. Gotta say, this is a good look. And then you are going to take your orange, I'm personally using a matte orange, and you're going to lightly apply it in the middle, slightly blending out into the other two colors, but not going all the way across. You just want the middle portion of your lips to have the orange. You're definitely going to want to dab lightly because the other colors transfer very easily, and if you rub, it will just make it look not good and will just rub off your other colors instead of depositing the orange. You may want to do a couple of layers of this to build up the color. And then you're going to want to blend slightly on either of the edges into the other colors. And if you need to, you can go ahead and add color on either side, more of the yellow or the white, if that got a little bit murky or lost in translation. So I'm gonna go ahead, because as you can tell, I kind of blended out the orange a little bit too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more yellow and white. Make sure to clean off whatever lipsticks you are using because the colors do transfer onto each other. So you don't want a bunch of orange on your yellow lipstick next time you go to use it. And for blending into the white, I'm actually going to take another white lipstick that I have. This one is more of just a traditional kind of cream lipstick, which will make it easier to blend into the orange. And of course, use your finger to blend it. And go ahead and dab your lips together to kind of help everything blend out. And then go ahead and add one final layer of orange just directly in the middle. And there we have our candy corn gradient lips. This is definitely obviously a very bold look, one that may not be the most wearable, but definitely Instagrammable if that is what you're into. So that was how I did these candy corn gradient lips. It is definitely an interesting look to wear out, but I think it is quite fun, especially because I personally am a huge fan of candy corn. No, that is definitely a hot take in these parts, but let me know down below what your guys' opinion is. Do you like candy corn? Do you hate candy corn? Do you not give a about everybody's opinion on candy corn? Let me know. If any of you guys create any looks inspired by this tutorial, I would love to see them. Go ahead and tag me in them on Instagram at whatisloveistheweapon, and go ahead and give me a follow down there if you aren't already, because that is where I post most of my YouTube updates. I'm not really a fan of the like posts that you can do on YouTube, so I do most of my communication through Instagram. If you'd like any updates, go ahead and follow me on there, especially since if you are not, you would most likely not know that I am doing a giveaway once I hit 100 subscribers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be a part of that for when that happens, and go ahead and give this video a like or a share to help that happen a little bit faster. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I had a blast hanging out with y'all. Peace.